Alright, good day everyone. So I got a request for how to get the dirt napper back in the bag again. So gonna go over this real quick. In your kit, you should have your base with these two rubber bands, 1 to 2 more black rubber bands with it. These are old tubes. Your dirt napper, Velcro strap, instructions, black plastic to go behind your or between your seat and the strap, and then your hook with normal rubber band. So real quick, set your dirt napper to just past the line at that end so that you have about that much strap left. Then simply fold it up and then take this guy, fold it forward. That'll give you a nice square shape. Put that on your black plastic, fold your strap behind it. Now put the base like that so it meshes in with the handle there. Then take your first rubber band and put it nice and easy over all this. Take this guy, do something similar, get it about in the middle, tuck that hook right in between the rest of the pole set. Take your rubber band, other rubber band, over the top kit. There you go. And take the Velcro, put that over where your hook is, and that'll keep the hook within the whole setup. Then take your instructions and put everything in here. You may want to do instructions later so you don't get them all messed up, but put your ratchet first into the bag. And there you have it. Have any questions, please contact us. Have a good day.